Managing your personal resources, energy, mood, time, focus, attention is vital during the holidays. This is especially important if you're navigating the season sober or following a recovery pathway. To empower yourself and take control of your mood and attitude, it's essential to understand what people, places, and activities nourish you, and conversely, which ones deplete you. This self awareness is the foundation for thriving during the holidays and beyond. Hi, I'm Dr. Joe. I specialize in executive sober coaching. I help professionals and high achievers evaluate and transform their relationship with alcohol and other repeated unhealthy coping mechanisms. In November, I hosted a webinar where we explored strategies to reflect deeply on what energizes and depletes us. Today, I'm excited to share key insights from that session and introduce you to an invaluable tool, your strategic guide to a sober holiday season workbook. This workbook is designed not only for the holidays, but also to help you establish year round habits for success and resilience. Stick around, and I'll show you how you can use this guide to plan a joyful and fulfilling holiday season while protecting your recovery. So, first, the importance of resource management. The holiday season is a time of increased demands. Parties, family gatherings, work obligations, and financial pressures. If you're in recovery, these demands can be especially challenging. Managing your resources effectively allows you to approach the season with clarity, a plan, and strength. So let's break that down a little bit. Energy. Where is your energy going? Who or what replenishes it? Mood. What people, environments, or habits lift your mood? Which ones bring it down? Time. Are you overcommitting? How can you set boundaries to prioritize what matters most to you? Focus and attention. How do you stay present and avoid distractions or triggers? The workbook includes exercises to help you specifically identify these factors in your life and create a plan tailored to your needs. So, here's a reflection exercise: energizers versus depleters. Take a moment to think about the people, places, and traditions in your life. The workbook guides you through this reflection with questions like: who leaves you feeling energized and who drains you? What activities make you feel grounded and joyful? Are there traditions that you participate in out of obligation but no longer actually serve you? This isn't just about identifying stressors, but also about recognizing opportunities to intentionally choose activities and connections that align with your recovery goals. So, here are some practical tips for the holidays. There are a few strategies from the workbook that you can start using today. Plan ahead. Know your triggers and prepare responses. For example, practice saying, no thank you, confidently if offered a drink. Redefine traditions. Create new traditions that support your sobriety. Think about activities like volunteering, baking, or attending sober holiday events. Have an exit strategy. If a situation becomes overwhelming, it's okay to just leave. Have a plan for how you'll excuse yourself gracefully and, and go. Stick to your routine. Maintain daily recovery habits such as meditation, exercise, and intentional gratitude practices. Use the workbook. The workbook is structured to guide you step by step of a self assessment to insight. Evaluate your current habits and risks. Setting intentions. Define what you want this holiday season to look like. And create your plan. Map out your time, energy, and recovery strategies. Also, some tools and resources. Access tips, scripts, and exercises to navigate challenging moments. This isn't just a holiday guide, it's a year round resource to help you build resilience and live intentionally and sober. If you're ready to take control of your holiday season and safeguard your recovery, download your strategic guide to a sober holiday season workbook today. Uh, It's offered at a special price for now. You can visit my link tree or the description to grab your copy. For a limited time, it's available at a special rate of $17. Don't miss this opportunity to empower yourself and thrive this holiday season and every season. Remember, your recovery is your strength and your sobriety is your superpower. Let's make this holiday season one to celebrate for all the right reasons.